Welcome to Check Out the Riley. We ordered a baked sushi in a box in Mercy's Cafe. Here you go. And this is our first time to try it out. So check us out. Alright, so I will try it out. As I said, this is our first time. Here you go. So this is a seaweed, seasoned seaweed. It's supposed to be a wrap or something. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing, so I'll try it. Try this one. Ooh. And then this one. We'll see. Then this one. Okay, you go. Mmm. It's delicious. I'll try again. This time, just this one. Wow. You guys have to try this out. Ready? It's so good. You wanna try, Jabez?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, so of course sushi have a rice, as you can see. Okay, here Jabez. What do you think? What?
So good.
It's so good, right? Okay. As you can see, it is good. You guys had to try it, okay? Alright. Jabez, Doroteo, how about you? You wanna try it?
What?
The sushi baked in a box.
No.
Here, come on. Come on. Come on. Just try it. I promise. Jabez think it's delicious. Oh well, Doroteo doesn't like it. It's like daddy's side. Alright guys. Here it is. As you can see. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Seaweed wrap. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to try a sushi bake in a box. Alright, bye.